As AI increases efficiency and decreases errors, costs are reduced, particularly in the banking sector. But what are the technological advancements and how are they making life easier? Let's take a look at top tech trends one by one. Cybersecurity mesh. Cybersecurity mesh allows best-of-breed, standalone security solutions to collaborate and increase overall security while bringing control points closer to the assets they are meant to safeguard. Cloud-native platforms allow you to create new application architectures that are resilient, elastic, and agile, allowing you to respond to fast digital change. Blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. The decentralized and distributed systems provide an outstanding level of security and transparency, and can be applied to businesses other than fintech. DevOps observability tools. When each employee is adept at monitoring, logging, reporting, and so on, the troubleshooting and debugging process become faster and easier. Progressive web applications. Users don't need to download PWA like mobile apps but can enjoy the same look and feel, which improves user experience. Isn't that interesting? For more updates like these, stay tuned with us and subscribe to our channel.